Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to check your iPhone is whether new, refurbished or a replacement device from Apple. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on General, look for About option, then click on it, then look for the model number. Like you can see, my model number is iPhone 16 Pro Max. My model name is iPhone 16 Pro Max and my model number is A3296. If you can see M, that means your iPhone is brand new, purchased directly from Apple or an authorized retailer. And if you see F, that means your iPhone is refurbished by Apple and resold. If you see N, this is a replacement device given by Apple for a previous faulty unit. And if you see P, that means this is a personalized device with custom engraving. Then if you want to check your iPhone battery health, go to settings, then click on battery, and then click on battery health, and here you can see your battery health. Look for first use date. If it matches your purchase data, your iPhone is likely new. Battery cycle count, a count of 0 means it's fresh out of the box. A high number suggests prior use. This method helps you confirm if your iPhone is truly new or has been used before. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.